Hello, 101.5 FM.
Samson.
Now the ball is in your court.
Obo audios no manager pa because audios no more but mean share and pay attention inti and then my pay attention at see audios no. I'm a man who say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama from day one he's on track. As somehow can deviating free who that. But the question of say who started free SHS no and yet something debatable. And yet idea was a yetna ha crampo na ye bisa se why started something I with the MPP itself. The MPP as a party and MPP are abaimu or more crampo or more answer question no da in their 2017 budget. Our mono answer say free SHS I starting progressively was started by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So and now I don't see where this question of who started free SHS is coming from because a fact, a undeniable fact say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama started free SHS, which Muam on 2017 budget a womb. And Napo Edebe presented no parliament. Napo Mayo Etiase say Omo Babe Tua His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ka $80.1 million on free SHS, which is in their budget. So say and now catch as a mama implement here. Sa sikana moka se mutua no. So which people did you pay the money to? And I say a typo and a man I say like a farmer so that better as idea no. And something one documents we. And you best settle this issue of who started free SHS peacefully. Now a month at TF1 actually for more share or internet so no. Ombe who say adiano it's not a matter of say better no about voices while things say Nipano wasn't against free SHS, but he was talking about quality and access. Which he started access no provided 123 schools or started. As at the time, all free so year 46. I am trying to be started free SHS no home and trying to be started progressively no couple home and some mobile beto the mobile beto here. It is a no more beside say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama we ni who match ya. No just I say you are singing me who more singing different song and then more person will try different picture actually Ghana for which Ghanaians are not ready about it. But the me who say the MPP are engaging in diversionary tactics. Na oman who say enema nkoyi abano mbewe ombedi nchu because corruption and enema ekoso no enti o say omode sade we ba betum said you be divert attention from the corrupt activities na ekoso wo maban and omode free SHS abetum say John Dramani Mahama say on started free SHS which indeed Nana Akufo-Addo in 2014 or granted interview and on Fifi Boafo granted interview I can say John Dramani Mahama free SHS now babeno a good news for Ghanaians. Satan on President Akufo-Addo na diebe na oka UNESCO for ebo John Dramani Mahama abaso I can say was started free SHS which is a good news just recently. Na honorable Napo Matthew Opoku Prempeh on also by Ebeka say John Dramani Mahama started free SHS which is a good thing. It is a say issue na banamo can just be factual. Mama Ghana for who say ampa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama started free SHS progressively. One case was starting wholesale. Okay, also starting progressively. Which mobile to can be a 1 on 2017 budgeting. So in a way is this all argument coming from? Because man who said Niama and Kosuye Mamo. Because man who say corruption I have from my banwe because man who say TV no adoso enti the SMO ya ne say or somebody side we ba betum na send a divert attention from the nefarious activities na mo more engaging in. Ghanaians are very very wise and I Ghana for yes anema way and am ba betum and I Ghana for be ka say e bia John Dramani Mahama Ghana for say they are eager to vote for John Dramani Mahama. Meanwhile Samson, one present a document we. Samson, Mr. document we, man. One document we. A presentation on free SHS by Honorable Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, Minister of Education. All launch free SHS no. This is the document, a blueprint of the MAE. And sometimes mamin can 1 or 2 IB. Oba page 2 or now. Or say national consensus on free SHS. Macho poku prepe na de mayo. Eti pese atie for mutie, Ghana for mutie, or mu say this issue of who started free SHS, it has been answered long time ago by the MPP themselves. But ene me nwanwa say MPP for eden, or mu change rhythm no. But who change rhythm no one change you. The fact still remains say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama started here progressively, which mobile be tuya can be. Documents in here, or the national consensus on free SHS. Or say in 2014, Napo ne chere you. Enya NDC ne chere ye. Napo ene be present here on the day or launch free SHS. Or say in 2017, you say in 2014, there was a national consensus on free secondary education for all qualified Ghanaians between the two main political parties, MPP and NDC. Sa 2014, na President Mahama na president. On na pencil and na course national consensus we. And President Mahama eskasa obe starting progressively, which indeed 2015, Napo per the document and Napo no ademaye, or say in 2015. John Dramani Mahama estate okonyi frisona state of the nation address His Excellency JDM or say as I announced in my last state of the nation address, government will begin the implementation of the progressively free secondary education program at the start of the 2015-2016 academic year in September. Or say this will benefit an estimated 367,565 day students. This amounted to Ghana 54 cedis per day student per term. Term biana ombetua 54 cedis
per term.
Per term.
We a day student are with 50 cedis. Oh, you mean 500 Ghana, 5 million?
No, 54 Ghana cedis.
Meba George.
54 Ghana
Mama, you know,
54 Ghana cedis.
54
Ghana cedis per term.
Me bacho na day students bill be waha me check na say oba enya admission na bi okọ prempe ana asantemaya na admission ye saying
day student the omutua na ye de buy 54 day student bi anu na otua 404 sa ayina omo de buy it was dated in August. But students have billion. His Excellency Dramani Mahama came with different bill like the
Zita. I believe so for secondary school.
Yes.
No, your border, no,
no, me border. Me go day. Me baby come final year. I'm call boarding house.
And no, a day to send me.
No, me a day.
Must be a day. Me pacho me kaipa admission. Your friend be admission fee. And you know 2015 day for admission fee no. Why it try? Me pass me.
2015
yes.
Pay for admission fee. Government of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and the Nana Akufo-Addo, any Dr. any Napo, any Ken Ofori-Atta in their 2016-17 budget. Go and read it, Mr. Zita, progressively education.
Zita, unim, I said here. Yesu esa na yare no a obi busa na ma me say e ba na sen eye den o se de wanyi obetima akasa o de onima na say akra na me pese me hu say it's not about ya twetwere bibi Zita me nim say ebia from 2017 ba ebia nya wo onua direct but ebia bebia wo tie so ame obetimi abo obidin a admission fee ye hu say aban and etia. So it's not about documents being here. The ambassador me busa say 2015 Ghana obenya fie bi wo krom ha eye kumase say yesunyane say ne banya admission all code day admission fee ne government of Ghana ne tia and na me busa
Samson I disagree with you totally on the part I can say it's not about documents because the obey it has to be documented. And I said,
Zita, sorry. Zita,
issue
Zita, I'm sorry.
Future, reference point.
Mebo, say, Ebia, the way I say, I'm not doubting, say, document be, and yet, in your son, and better make the ambassador say, sir, and call out my squee, or my squee. Say, document be whole document be any. If you be obey, will be a near one about coin. you document and to all corner about yes can to also nimana.
And so are you doubting the
or are you saying sir government ATS on paper
Samson mama my M5 issue trasa Samson 2015 John Dramani Mahama started progressively free education 54 cities per term for every day student.
You are talking about fees. Maybe.
Yes.
Zita, me no. Thank God. Oko day school. Me so me code day. Me mpodi me be rio day ni nyina me code day na me wie. The American say there's a difference between admission fees and term fees. And say unya admission say ye ba admit you no. O kwa e wo say utie sika bi. Eno no say unya ntwa term no. Utie no wie ni admit you. Enti no watcha terms 2 months 3 months a wie no waba fie no na mo term be laba. So I'm asking say we use 55 a year na said day term no before the term who entry admission fees no who paid and na me buza
admission who pays
that time
per the document ekuta minister say government absorbed everything and napo and so my also in 2016 napo no document also Mr. Speaker in fulfillment of the constitutional provision of making secondary education progressively free His Excellency the President launched the progressively free education secondary education program at Ekumfi Otuam. Government provided funding for the first term of 2015-2016 academic year to absorb the examination, entertainment, library, SRC, sports, culture, science development, science and mathematics quiz, ICT, and co-curricular fees for 320,488 day students in public high schools. And
did he mention admission fees?
Admission fee wasn't mentioned in it, but I believe say admission fee
you don't assume.
Admission fee
you don't assume.
But mamin ko baby na min sa ko chiro oko GS for portal so GS for portal as at 2015-2016 they went further to tell us the number of schools are benefiting here. Or say the Ghana Education Service had listed some of the schools that will benefit from the implementation of progressive free secondary school policy. Or say they include Central Region, 27,795 students in 54 schools. Western Region, 38,751 in 56 schools. Ashanti, 64,430 from 102 schools. GES
and when a free education said
free education my day students they didn't pay a dime. And you know one interesting thing about John Dramani Mahama free SHS and then I incorporate or e-blocks no see no e-blocks no see any bia your commission here they were provided with buses as some teachers pick up make my mom easy access to the school. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is you cannot change ultimately change the narrative. MP4 they can play their own drums and dance, but the fact still remains say on the president as is our current president Nana Akufo-Addo in opposition admitted President Mahama Basso for starting progressively free education. 2017 budget said they came and met a debt of 80.1 million Ghana cedis. So say catch and say enye John Dramani Mahama na share a sa sika na mukotua no ho na mukotua ma omo sa dem Nana Akufo-Addo ka say Mama Obona Basso for starting progressively free education no one at that time na there be na ba na ni so a o man ka sa UNESCO for about John Dramani Mahama Basso even Napo just last month or so Ejina Parliament ka say omatua they have cleared the debt of Mohammed progressively free education and if they want to come back and tell us because of political expediency you
have done about 12 minutes
progressively free education me next say we shouldn't take them serious because they are not people
yes so adia na osa wo na wo ye ɛna wo nkurɔfoɔ ebi kɔ court ebi to ho ayi that logically does it make sense?
Court now who say reading headlines, reading headlines is different from reading the main story. Reading
you caught assembly film. Comment, other comment, free education, fifi content. How do you feel?
And the standpoint of the NDC now. No. The standpoint of the NDC is say we launch free SHS. The students benefit here. And you know those comments they were peripheral comments. You cannot hold the NDC accountable to comments. No, the fact still remains. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and share free education. I say starting progressive.
Zitameda say.
Hello. 101.5 FM.